This week on Fresh Out of the Box, we unboxing the Nike Fear of God, the very popular shoe in Paris, the Cordon Bleu. Anyway, bon voyage. Let's continue with the video.
So guys, as I mentioned, we're in the corner of the store right now. It's a sound store. It's actually the second purchase I managed to get from him. And these are the Nike Air Fear of Gods in a US size 9, UK 8. Now the lighting is not going to be amazing for this one, but I really quickly just wanted to show you what these shoes look like. I've got no tripod, as you can tell, and I'm actually filming it off my phone and my camera, so this is going to be a bit of an interesting one. But we're going to go with it and we're going to see what happens. I might even have to drop the camera at some point just to get things like the box lid off, but only the highest quality content, you know, on this channel. So let's give it a go. So we pop the box lid, and to start with, this is a completely different box to what Nike usually offer with their shoes. This is obviously because it's the Air Fear of God collab, but it comes with this. Firstly, it comes with this huge sort of Nike bag. I guess it's like a gym bag. It's like an extra accessory to go with the shoes, but that's a really nice touch. You have this sort of branded Nike part in there, and then you also have the actual packaging itself. So let's get on with that. Again, I do apologize about the lighting in this one. It's not going to look perfect. Not that any of my videos do anyway. But yeah, I'm not actually going to crack this as well because I have already sold these shoes. So I think that's something to do with perhaps the cleaning of the thing. And then we have a look at the actual shoes. So this looks like, you know, wham bam, out space in your face. We've got this silver packaging here. And this is what holds the shoes. So let's get the first sort of look at them. And as you can see there, I'm going to get it better in the light. That is one clean pair of shoes. They're quite heavy as shoes, and the detailing on them is quite thorough. So I'm actually going to bring it over here just because the lighting's a bit better. You have this sort of white tick here with a blue detailing there. Again, another Nike tick. And on the back, you can see there it says Fear of God. You also have another Nike logo there. This suede sort of over material there, and the chunky rope laces to top it off. The actual shoe itself. Let's get that like that. That looks a lot better. That looks a lot better. Just in the middle of a YouTube unboxing, you know. You're more than welcome to stay on it if you like, but I won't.
Sorry?
I'm just in the middle of a YouTube unboxing.
You don't know understand.
Oh right, no worries at all. So yeah, as you can see, there is some background interference. But yes, I literally just wanted to quickly show you these today, guys. I'm actually already sold these for £425. I'm walking down to London StockX drop-off, which as well I will show you at the end of this video just to get a bit of you know, on that as well. But yeah, it's not comprehensive, it's not thorough, and I'm going to get these wrapped up straight away because this has probably been one of the poorer quality videos that I've released. But fuck it, you know what you get from now on. So peace out, and I'll see you next time.